Hi guys, there is a good news for JCI Junior Assistant aspirant who appeared in typing test. Yesterday I made a video regarding JCI Junior Assistant typing test, and in that video I mentioned one thing, that your typing test will be only qualifying in nasal, which is true. I will show you with proof, but I got some other information regarding typing test. So in this video I will share with you all important information. So you can see here Abhijit Kumar Tiwari commented that typing test mark will be added with CBT. If you see official notification, then it was mentioned typing test will be only qualifying in nasal, and in admit card also it is mentioned total mark in typing test 40. But we don't see anywhere that it is mentioned typing mark will be added with CBT. Normally it is mentioned in official notification when typing or skill test marks are added or considered for final merit list. So you can see here I sent mail yesterday to JCI asking this point. I asked for the post of junior assistant. It was mentioned in official notification that typing test will be only qualifying in nasal, but in typing admit card it is mentioned that total mark in typing test 40. So my question is that will you add typing test mark with CBT, and if typing test is only qualifying in nasal, then how you evaluate candidates in typing test? So according to JCI, to qualify in typing test, your typing speed should be 40 WPM, and the accuracy for the typing test will be calculated at 80% of the total words typed. See, this is the very important point. Your accuracy for the typing test will be calculated at 80% of the total words you type, not overall the all 100% words that you typed. However, JCI reserves the right to make any changes to the same at any point of time. So this is also important information. See, typing test is only qualifying in nasal, but CBT marks and typing test marks both will be considered for final merit list. So this is also another fairly important information. So guys, I think you know everything regarding typing test. Your result will be declared fairly soon. Thanks for watching this video.